Hey everybody, it's Gus Activa, and today we have another video on comprehensible input. What we will be doing today is cooking. So one of the things that I like to cook when I'm maybe on vacation or just in general, I like to make egg sandwiches. So my sandwiches are a bit different than everybody else's. I like to have 12 eggs at a time. And I don't know, I just like getting that much eggs in, that much protein. That's what satisfies my hunger. So with the butter, what we're going to do, we're going to scoop out as much butter as we want in order to cook the eggs. So I don't take too much, just that much. And then what I do is I take one finger and I spread around the butter. Spread, spread, spread. Spread it around. And the reason I spread it around is because when you crack an egg in a pan, the egg goes everywhere. It goes all throughout the pan. So I like to spread it around beforehand, before I start cooking. Okay. Now the pan is all full with butter. Now we will start cracking the egg. Now the thing about cracking the egg, when you eat 12 eggs, at least when I eat 12 eggs, I don't want to eat 12 yolks as well. Because if I eat 12 eggs with 12 yolks, that is too many calories for me. So what I like to do is I like to crack 12 eggs, but only use 2 yolks. So the yolk is the yellow part inside the egg. So I'll show you. Crack. Open the egg. And we only want the white part, the clear part. So it's a little bit of a technique that I do, right? And this is the yolk, the yellow part, the yolk. And what I could do, I like to put it in the sink so it doesn't leak in the garbage. Put the soap right here. And do it with soap. Make sure to wash your hands with soap when dealing with eggs because you can contaminate other things, other surfaces. Maybe you'll touch your phone and you wouldn't want that on your hand. I'm using a paper towel to dry my hands. I am using a paper towel. All right, throw this in the garbage. Here are the eggs. And now what I'm going to do is mix it. I'm gonna mix it so the yolk can distribute evenly into the egg. So every part of the egg has yolk. We have the eggs. And now we're going to put it on the stove so it could cook. Like this. Yes. And we want to use that burner. So we have 1, 2, 3 burners. And we want to use that burner. Turn it on, and we're going to turn it to level 8 so it gets nice and hot and cooks fast. I'm going to drink a little bit. Very good. Very good when it's cold. And this is the rest of the bread that we'll be using to make the sandwich. Maybe, you know, I said I was going to make a sandwich, but I don't know if all of the eggs are gonna fit in the bread. I don't know if it'll fit inside the bread. So maybe I would just have bread on the side with the eggs. I can't forget to add the salt. I almost forgot to add salt. All right, I'll be back with you guys when it's almost done cooking. And now I'm just mixing the eggs around. I see that it's cooking because the eggs are going from liquid to a little more solid. Mixing it around. So the eggs that I'm probably gonna make today are scrambled eggs. Scrambled like this, where it's all little pieces. Now I have the plate that I want to use. Normally plates are a little more flat. This one kind of has a hang to it, so it looks kind of like a bowl. But I think this is a plate. Looking pretty good, pretty even. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the bread from the bag that it's in. I'm going to put it in here. Now, don't throw your food like how I just threw my food. Bread with a knife. It's nice and soft inside. Butter. Now, we will use a knife to take out some butter and spread it on the bread. Spread it. And now our eggs are ready. So I'm gonna put my bread to the side and eggs on the other side. I'll wash the pan after, but here is the final result. We have the bread right here, eggs are here that we made, and it's all done. So, thank you guys for watching. Give me a like if you like the video, and also subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these. Thank you.